In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to create a custom object in HubSpot CRM. Click the settings icon in the top right corner to open the settings page. The main settings view loads with a left sidebar showing all available configuration categories. Select objects from the left sidebar to open the objects management page. This section controls both standard and custom data objects in your account. Click into the search settings box and type custom object to filter the options. The list narrows down as you type, showing only matching settings. From the results, select Custom Objects Settings to open that section. The Custom Objects page opens, showing any objects that already exist, or an empty state for a new setup. Click the Create Custom Object button to start building a custom object. An upgrade notice appears. Custom objects are only available on professional or enterprise plans, so you'll need to upgrade before you can create one. The Objects option in Settings requires super admin access. Once upgraded and the object is created, add custom properties to track specific data points like property addresses or lease dates. Custom objects work just like standard HubSpot objects, so associate them with contacts, companies, and deals. That covers creating a custom object in HubSpot. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.